Today's video is something that I've always wanted to do, and it's to do with my sister. My sister Becky is my angel. She means everything to me. I don't think I could love anyone as much or in the way that I love my sister. So I wanted to do a little surprise for her because Becky has her own complicated health issues that, you know, one day she might use this channel or her own channel to tell her story. But she has never had a adult bedroom. She's 24 and she's never had like a bedroom to call her own. She's never had, you know, like a sanctuary. Never has the energy or the time or the money to put something together. I wanted to just splurge and spend a bunch of money on her and to surprise her when she comes home from work today with a done-up adult bedroom. This intro is long enough. And I spent the morning getting all the furniture and bits and pieces that I needed. So I went to my favorite place, Kmart and IKEA. Also on Gumtree, I found this amazing dresser. I want her to have like a table for her to put her makeup in and like sit there and start her day, you know, sitting at like a dressing table. Because currently, or even since forever, she keeps all her makeup in a shoebox and she sits on the floor and does her makeup on the floor in a mirror. And I'm like, let's just elevate your lifestyle a bit, you know, so you can start the day feeling like a princess, sitting at a dressing table. Got the great table. My problem is though, is I can't find a really like a cool stool that goes with it, but whatever, I'm just gonna do my best because she gets home at 5:15 and it's probably like 2:30 now, so I'm like, So I'm gonna do my best and I'm gonna take you with me. So you can kind of see here, the theme of Becky's room is gonna be pink, green, bunnies. Yeah, do you like it, honey? Do you approve? Yeah. Becky is just very cute, but also very like neutral and classic. So I also have this beautiful chair that will be perfect with the vibe of the room. And then to add some excitement, I got these like LED lights. And now I have the makeup table in place. I've got a whole bunch of her stuff on the top. Now this is the box that had all her makeup in it. This is a bit of an upgrade, I would say. And now I just put her new bedding on. It looks so nice. And then this is the dog bed and the bed head, which I've just like pinned it on the back. I got this material from Spotlight and it kind of matches with the decor. It kind of goes with the greys and browns and is super neutral. And then there's this beautiful chest that we've had with our family. So that's gonna go there. I think I might put that chair here. Yes. I have to say, I'm pretty proud of my progress so far. Look how cute it looks. Do you love it, Vigo? He loves it. He loves his new bed material. Don't you, honey? And then the chair looks great here. I'm gonna set up all her makeup in the table now. And then I've put her chest here and the mirror on the top so she can, you know, make her outfit, get ready, and then stare at the mirror and get a nice picture with all her little things in the front. So I bought all this really cute stuff from Yesstyle. I'm so excited for Becky to use this. I'm gonna put batteries in the back and it will just be so cute, just like a little close-up light-up mirror. And now I got all these handy-dandy storage boxes, but these expand, so they fit perfectly. So I'm gonna have the best time playing with all of these new little storage devices that I got from Yesstyle. I saw this like Korean makeup they have on there, and this is like a little liquid eye makeup. So I got 2 of those, and I got her some green hairpins because her hair's green. And then I have a box of makeup that I don't need that I got sent in PR. I'm just going to load her up with a bunch of new lipsticks. Okay, now her little makeup table is finished. So I've got her beauty, like a little beauty blender holder. The green hair clips I've put in this cute little bunny mug. I put some little palettes and bits and pieces in here. I got all like lip liners and like mascaras and stuff in there. Got her LED light. I got her 2 cute sets of brushes in these cute containers, and her sensible brushes are in here. And then I got her perfume, and I put all the lipsticks I've given her in here. They look so cute. Beautiful flowers I picked up from Sir Botanical yesterday, and then this vase was from Kmart. It's perfect. Oh, I'm so excited to show her. Oh, that is so cute, all lit up. Oh, it's so cute. I'm sitting on the couch, waiting for Becky to come home. Hello? Hello?
Hello. How many sets of lashes do you have on today?
One pair?
They look so thick.
It's because they're Holy Grail. They don't mess around. Look, it's one.
Oh, shit.
Just grab my eyelid. Okay, the first part of your surprise is there.
Oh, the slippers.
Yeah, there's slippers and a t-shirt.
Oh.
So you can feel cute while you see your surprise.
Oh. Are you going to eat these?
Aren't they cute? Oh my god. He loves putting some new in things that are fluffy. Oh, they are so cute. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Are you ready for your bedroom surprise?
Hit me.
Alright. Okay, open.
Oh my god. It's so cute.
Do you love it?
I love it.
Do you love it?
I love it. Oh, it's so cute.
It's like an actual bedroom.
It is a bedroom.
Walk through, enjoy.
Ah.
Tell me what you think.
Look at my... It's so pretty. Oh, these aren't mine.
They're new for you. Yeah.
Oh, these are so cute.
How cute do they look? Now you can look at your brushes all the
I
time.
can. I paid lots of money for them.
Yes. Are you happy with this mirror placement?
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah?
That's so good.
Yeah, then you can
Never
actually
thought about
use
that.
it.
That's amazing.
Mhm.
These sheets, they go perfectly.
Yeah, those pink sheets.
Mm.
I know, and it's got your green pins in it.
Chicken me.
And I got these like string lights, and there's like a solar power thing here. So it turns itself on and off when the sun goes down. So you just have this nice little like glowy string.
Cute.
I know.
Yes!
You and me.
And me, don't forget me.
I'm so glad you love it. And then 2 fake plants that you can't kill.
Yay.